All right, another week. Great to be here. For some of you, parents and students, we can see the proverbial light at the end of the tunnel. I know eighth graders finish this week, and I think it's K5 finishes next week. So that's awesome. It's hard to believe that the school year is winding down. What's really hard to believe is the circumstances as we end the school year, but it has been a learning experience for all of us, and all of us will be better off for it. And we just thank God that everybody has been relatively healthy. I know that the virus is continuing to wreak havoc with some parts of the country, not so much as others. But anyway, thank God and thank God that you've been able to have this time with your family and develop closer relationships with your faith, with your family, and for the young ones, with your siblings. I know that's hard sometimes, but it is all part of growing up and socializing with them. Okay, what we're going to do this week is basically just continue with our um, circuit training for everyone. Also, this week, what we're going to do is continue with the balloons. And with that being said, I will turn this around and we will look at the board and discuss what I have written on there, so give you a better idea of what you can do this week. All right, hold on, let me try and change this around. All right, here we go. Let's see. I think that's better. Okay, for everyone, if you want to continue to use the balloons, you can do that. That's a great eye-hand coordination. And also you can play mini volleyball. If you have a hoop, you could almost play, or a trash can. You could play basketball with the balloons. But anyway, it's a good eye-hand coordination. And if you have an opportunity to move around with them, that's even better. But again, all of these need to be done with adult supervision. Okay. The next thing that I'd like to see you do is, if you have steps outside, inside, or have access to steps of 5 or more steps, walk up and down the stairs. And you can see K4 through second grade, do them about 5 times, third, fourth, and fifth 8 times, and sixth, seventh, and eighth 10 times. But again, when you're talking about stairs with the risk of falling, make sure that you hold on to the handrail and that your parents are right there with you, working with you on this. And the last thing is, if you have a 2x4, a 4x4, or 6x6, stand on one side of it and then just jump laterally back and forth, and you can see the number of times: 4 for K4 through second grade, 6 times third through fifth, and 8 times sixth through eighth. Now these will be 30-second reps, in other words, times that you will do it. But try to get them inside that 30 seconds. This will help you develop quickness, also moving from left to right. You can also do forward and backward if you'd like, but be very careful. And again, this needs some supervision for the younger ones from your parents. So that's what we're going to do this week. 8th grade, I'd like to see everybody on Friday. I think Friday, or maybe down the road, we're supposed to try to get together, but we'll keep our social distancing, but also keep you in our hearts, so we'll keep you close that way. Look forward to seeing you. I saw some of the young men and ladies last week. It's always a pleasure to see. God bless and have a wonderful week. Miss everybody and hope to see you soon. Thank you.